Hey guys, we received this line journal for test and try, and you can see this is the 100 GSM line college ruled and thick paper. So let me just open it up. You can see a nice elastic band, very nice top cover. This is smooth, and then this elastic band. So looks really nice, and the paper quality also looks fine. It's a thick paper, and you can see the look. And now the thick paper, so around 160 pages and the 80 sheets, and really feel thick paper and the quality paper with the smooth writing, as you can see it here. So overall, it's a really nice journal for your daily use, and also have this zipper portability and easy carry. 5.7 inches width and nice paper with this small pouch that you can put in your small stuff in, like the cards or small papers. Overall, a very nice journal to begin with.